Hello and welcome. Today we explore Zentangle and how it connects with mindfulness. Today's busy world, not only students but even elders are facing constant distractions. Our minds are always running, thinking about the past or worrying about the future, rarely staying in the present moment. This affects our focus, our work, and our inner peace. That's why mindfulness has become so important in our daily lives. In today's video, we are going to explore how simple creative practices like a Zentangle can help us slow down, relax, and bringing our mind back to a present moment. Through easy patterns and mindful drawing, we can reduce stress, improve focus, and create a sense of calm within ourselves. So, take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's begin this peaceful journey together. What if I tell you you can relax your mind just by drawing a simple lines? No stress, no pressure, just calm and creativity. Zentangle is a simple drawing method made using dots, lines, curves, and shapes. These small patterns are called tangles. Anyone can do it. You don't need any special skills, just pen, paper, and calm mind. Mindfulness means being fully present, not thinking about the past, not worrying about the future. Just focus on this moment. Your breath, your hand, and your drawing. When you draw slowly, your mind starts to relax. Each line brings you focus back. Each pattern keeps you in the present. It becomes like a meditation. You are not just drawing, you are calming your mind. Do you feel stressed even during a simple daily task? Do you find your mind always busy, thinking, worrying, and rushing? What if you could feel calm while doing all this same work? The Zentangle method, created by Rick Roberts and Maria Thomas, is often described as a yoga for the brain and the artistic meditation. Zentangle operates on the principle that there are no errors. Every line is an opportunity to create a new pattern. The focus is entirely on the here and now of drawing, not the final result. This shifts the mind away from past regrets or future anxieties. The repetitive nature of creating tangles act as a form of a meditative practice, calming the mind, similar to walking meditation. The act of drawing, one stroke at a time, forces the practitioner to be present in the moment because it requires focused attention. It serves as a distractor from negative thoughts, anxiety, PTS symptoms, promoting emotional regulations. Zentangle encourages self-appreciation and reduce the anxiety commonly felt about creating peaceful, perfect art. The Zentangle method is not a religion or a traditional Zen Buddhism practice, but it is a mindful practice. Zentangle is intentionally designed as a creative meditation or a meditative art rather than a traditional art class. The core of Zentangle is that there are no mistakes, any unexpected strokes is seen as a new opportunity for a design, encouraging self acceptance and reducing self criticism. Unlike a traditional art, the goal is not to produce a masterpiece, but to enjoy the quiet artistic process. Simple, repetitive structured patterns called tangles are drawn on a small 9 by 9 centimeter paper tiles, which helps calm the brain. But if I tell you mindfulness is needed in every small things we do, from brushing your teeth to walking with someone, from brushing your teeth to talking with someone, in today's busy life, we are always doing something, but our mind is somewhere else. We eat while thinking, we work while worrying, we talk without really listening. That's where mindfulness is become a very important activity. Like a Zentangle help us practice mindfulness because we focus on each line, each pattern. But mindfulness should not stop there. It should continue in our daily life. While eating, focus on the taste, smell texture, eat slowly and enjoy your food. While walking, notice your steps, feel your breathing. While doing household work, pay attention to each moment. Stay calm and steady. Do one task at a time. Avoid distractions. While talking, listen carefully. Be fully present with the person, and you feel more relaxed. You complete work with attention. You react less, respond calmly. Even small moments feel peaceful. Try these simple habits. Pause for a moment. Take a deep breath and focus on what you are doing. Bring your mind back again and again. Mindfulness is not for just a special time, it is for every moment, not only while drawing, but every small actions of your day. When you live mindfully, life become a calm, simple and beautiful. Today, even one even a today everyone faces distractions, mobile phones, social media, overthinking. The mind is always busy but not focused. This leads to less concentration, more stress, poor productivity. Even simple activities like a Zentangle drawing can train the mind and to slow down. Distraction is everywhere, but focus is a choice. Train your mind before distractions control you. Now I will pause my thoughts about mindfulness, but the drawing will continue. Stay with me, relax your mind, and watch till the end for a peaceful finish. Thank you so much for watching. If you felt relaxed and enjoy this journey of Zentangle, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more peaceful art videos. See you in the next video. Bye.